Welcome to another review. This is day 10 of this Top Step Trader Combine. It is Friday the 3rd of February 2017. Another full stop out day. So not great in terms of result. So just so you can see, $198.54. That means this week I have lost about just under $80. If I move over here, you'll see quite a nasty little losing streak there. 7 trades in a row. I had the high of $386.39, and I'm down here at $76.87. That means overall in this combine, I've pretty much made nothing. $22.72, which is disheartening to say the least. I think I did accomplish the getting up early thing that I had set myself last Friday. There's no point really, just a second. There's no point really talking about these trades because they didn't go anywhere. And it's just chop. I didn't do anything wrong per se. I went long twice there and then I went short here, and it's just chop. The market's not going anywhere. So it's, it's difficult to make money in a market that isn't going anywhere. Next to impossible, especially if your stop is within the average true range of the price action that you're trading. So you can't know until you can see all this back and forth, and my stop is this big. So you can't know really until it's too late. So you use your risk management to keep you out of trouble. So while I haven't made any progress today, or in the last 2 days I've gone backwards, and this week I've lost a bit, and overall in the combine 2 weeks in and I'm still around break even. I know that I've got the money management side of things down, but if you go back to day 5's video, which is the week review for last week, the 7 o'clock thing I accomplished, as I said, but the aggression side is severely lacking. If I open up my trade history here on the left, and we go through it here, you'll see that this was the Monday before last, so day 1, 2 losses, and then that scaling win with 2 contracts. And then I had 2 losses on the Tuesday, 2 losses on the Wednesday, and then a win on the Thursday, and then 2 losses and a win on the Friday. So that was last week, and I finished up $100. And then this week I had this trade here, which I could have scaled into. So instead of 300, I got 165. 221, again, I could have scaled in here. Instead of 300, I got 221. So at the end of day 2, I was on 386 rather than 600. On that basis alone, if I add on what's missing, i.e. 220, I would be up 150 instead of down 80. Then fear crept into my trading, and this was Wednesday. I took 1 trade, didn't take the next trade. That would have ended me up 300, and then I let loose. I took this trade on Thursday, yesterday, and again I didn't take the second trade, which would have brought me to 300. And then I've taken a series of losses, all of which are valid. All of the trades are valid, but I've just skipped 2 winners, and I haven't pushed the 2 wins that I did have. So the lesson for today and this week, really, I can't judge. Maybe the method doesn't work long term. As traders, you're always looking to see if something's still working or not. But I have no chance of knowing if it works if I don't even scale into the winners. So you've seen I've scaled into 1 win in 2 weeks. Whereas in backtesting, I scaled in pretty much every day, every time that there was opportunity to do so. This week I've had, as I said, on Monday and Tuesday, I had an opportunity on each day to scale in, and I didn't do so. And then I skipped some wins. So I just need to be more aggressive in order to push the wins and get into trades. So I have the opposite problem compared to most traders who they're able to stay in trades maybe, or push, they're able to jump into trades, but I'm a little too hesitant and still too hesitant to run the trades. So in terms of if it were a live account, you wouldn't have any damage, you would have just lost time, but I'm trying to achieve an objective here today, so I may well excuse me, I may well break a rule today in the spirit of being more aggressive and take one more trade if I see it, and that will definitely be it. But I'm going to get this video out and then come in all guns blazing on Monday, and rather than trying to pass a combine, I just want to make sure I push hard. I've been following my rules for the most part, except for scaling in. So I haven't really been following my rules in terms of scaling in. So more aggression needed. That's the lesson for today. And a somber end to the week, but especially with the health issues that I'm experiencing. And we'll see how next week goes. So if I'm going to put this video out, if I do take one more, I'll put like a note in the video in the description box so that you can see that the outcome of that trade. So that's it for now. See you next week.